Halito. So today I'm going to quickly teach you how to do the continuation of an action. And so to do this, I have three examples: anompole, pinsa, and apa. So to speak, to see, and to eat. All you have to do to make it continuous of the action, you just have to look for the second to last vowel in that word and then add an H and the nasalized version of that vowel, and then it becomes the continuation of that verb. So anompole becomes anompohonle. Pinsa becomes pehinsa. And then apa becomes ahampa. And so remember, the second to last vowel, find it, and then add H and the nasalized version of that vowel. Then it becomes the continuation of that verb. So I hope this helps, and I hope you use it. Hachapin Salajagi.